guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shania. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do 3 easy hairstyles on your natural hair. So if you need some inspo, keep on watching. So the first thing you want to do for any of these hairstyles is make a ponytail, because that's the basis that you're going to be working from.
Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.
You wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.